Assalamualaikum dear students, today we will study about components of floor. So let's start the video. Components of floors. When you look at your floors, you may only think of the one layer that you see, like the ground you stand on. There are several layers underneath the top one that ensure the stability and function of floor. Number one is subgrade soil. American Concrete Institute defined subgrade as the native soil, usually compacted, and subbase is a layer of gravel on top of the subgrade. A solid subbase is a key to a successful building project. A subgrade is made up of native soil that has been compacted to withstand the loads above it. Next one is joist. At the very top, at the very bottom of the layer that make up your floor is what we call joist. Think of this as the bones of your flooring. They are used to frame the layer that will sit upon your home's foundation. It's crucial that joists are installed correctly, because if not, it will result in a great deal of noise and shifting when you walk on your floor. Next one is subfloor. After the joist, you shall find the subfloor. This is the solid base that your floor will stand on and will support the floor covering. The subfloor is most often constructed with concrete. It's crucial that subfloor has room to breathe, as in expanding and contracting over the years to make your floor function properly. Next one is underlayment. On top of the subfloor is the underlayment. The underlayment is installed for noise control because it softens any noise that will result from someone walking on the floor. Not only is it installed for noise cancellations, but underlayment gives the floor covering a smooth surface to sit on. Most often made of foam or cork, underlayment is required for floating floors such as laminate or engineering wood. These floors are not attached to the subfloor, so they float on top. There is a padding will be used in cases of carpet installation and can make or break the functionality of your carpeted areas. When you are choosing to install tile flooring, you shall need a moisture resistance underlayment, because water can find its way under tile in the cracks of the ground. Next one is floor covering. The last part of your flooring is the top layer called the floor covering. Floor covering come in a variety of material and styles. They can be hardwood, tile, stone, carpet, vinyl, and laminated. This is what you think of when you think of floor. Adhesive is a part of a floor. Floor coverings are often secured to subfloor or underlayment depending on the material. With tile, thin set is used to adhere the tile to the subfloor. Thin set will need to be expertly removed when looking to install new flooring where the tile was once installed. See you in the next video. Until then, you will take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.